Alright, y'all. All the exhaust is out. What we're gonna do is remove this pan first. This like heat shield, which is 12 millimeter, and it looks like there's 4 of those. So we're gonna do this heat shield, and I would suspect this middle piece goes at some point. So yeah, we're gonna get after it. All right, so just pop down that shield, slide it out. All right, the next section we're gonna tackle will be these 12 mils around the back end of the drive shaft. There's 4 of those, gonna drop those out with a wrench, and then we'll focus on these 2 bolts up there. So I'm just leaning, came down off there, just leaning it on here for now. Up over here, those 2 bolts, 14 millimeter. So just crank on those bad boys and get them off. Also, this center piece, that's going to help reduce a lot of that noise and vibration that they're saying you get with the carbon fiber shaft. Instead of this piece being bolted up to the body right there, all that vibration from the shaft is going through the car. Without that there, it's going to be much quieter. All right, so y'all, just comparing these two. The carbon one is definitely a lot thicker than the 2-piece. Mounting points are the same there. The 2-piece mounts to the frame right here, or I guess you could say to the unibody on the inside. And that's where you're going to get a lot of that extra noise and vibration from the drivetrain. You'll get that drivetrain chatter through. I think this piece alone is really putting a lot into the cabin. So with this all being one long piece, it's going to be much better. The reason for this mod is, yes, it frees up 4 pounds of unsprung weight. Not that that's going to matter as much, but really, from what I've already seen in videos and read about, is you get like a rubber band effect with the carbon drive shafts, because they twist when you accelerate, so it kind of unloads that power onto you in a smoother fashion than the 2-piece. So the car's gonna be a lot eager to go, just from a dead stop, just eager to get moving. And surprisingly, actually, Ron Watson, one of the tuners who's like popular with the FA20s, says he did a back-to-back test on this, and they gained 10 to 13 actual horsepower from this thing. So that's amazing to actually see all that power that's lost to the 2-piece be get back with a product like this, which I believe this product is just an unsung hero. A lot of people overlook it because of the price, and I think there's a lot of benefits to this. So let's get it thrown on the vehicle. Let's see. So easy peasy. So the new bolt size is switching from 12 to 13 millimeter. So be sure you get that correct. Okay, that part's torqued on. I put the heat shield back on. Ratchet wrenches are going to be your best friend for this job. FYI. Okay, to start, we have 2 12 mils here, top and bottom, and then this is a 14 mil. So I'm going to start with those 3 first here and on the opposite side. So I've just removed the top end link only because I'm going to reuse these sway bar end links. So the bar's loose now. So I'm going to just pull it out. So quickly comparing the Whiteline with the stock, it's definitely a lot thicker. This is going to be the brace port, which I should cover with you in a moment. Bolt extension, which you'll need for the brace support. They provide the grease, which is going to go in the new bushing. And then we have these lock pieces that keep it from sliding back and forth. I'm gonna work at getting this bar on now. So watch me struggle. If you're wondering, you can't do this by yourself. It would help to have an extra set of hands so you don't have to hold something up with your knee. Putting it on the middle setting, which is medium. I don't want to go hard or soft. I just kind of want it to be medium for now. So I'm going to push that in on both sides. There it is. And then move on. Okay, I'm just not going all the way tight, but I'm doing the inside end links right now. And I'm not going to go super tight because I want to line everything up before I bolt it all down. So both sides. And just go a little more than hand tight on these. And then line it up. Thing is the 17 mils here on the subframe. We're going to pop those out. That way we can get our braces put in. So next up, mount this here. Get that 17 situated. And then you're going to get your hardware over here. So you can have lock washer first, then normal washer. This is a 12 mil, and that one goes there. Okay, quick correction on this. These ones are actually 13 millimeter and those are 12 millimeter. So the new supplied ones from Whiteline are 13 millimeter. All right, next we're going to do the lateral locks. Which goes back up here against the bushing. And the little Allen wrenches, they give you the key and everything. But to start, try to just get it in there. There's the sway bar all finished up. It's all buttoned up, ready to hit the road. Alright, last thing for this project day, I want to do some quick sound deadening under here. Hopefully it'll help some of the vibrations I'm getting. Maybe some up there. I'm going to do that on both sides, then line up my exhaust, and I got to hurry up because I got to go to work. Starting on these, everything has come full circle. We're back with our trusty 10 mils. So there's 4 of those. Knock those out, pull this plate. Alright, so the Noico. I've used this stuff in the past. Other people have used this. It's very popular. We got the black kind. I'm going to do double duty on this stuff. I'm going to put some on the inside of here and then right up here because that's super thin and I've tested it before. So I'm just going to get a couple sheets in here and along there, and hopefully it helps kill some of that vibration. Be sure you clean it all down with rubbing alcohol really well. And I'm going to just put 2 big square pieces here because I want to take up as much space as possible. I've got a bunch of round pieces under my seat and in here. Tons of round pieces. These ones I've been cutting square just for getting that blocked off. Get huge. Mount one there, and then I'm going to do 1 strip along here. Next thing, you just roll this stuff on. And I have 2 different rollers. Got a smooth one and then a hard one. gets in there hard, but it can, if you're not careful, it can tear the Noico. Okay, just give you guys a quick look. Definitely more solid. Gonna finish this side up, mount it up. Much more solid. Time to get the mufflers on and finish this job. Here's the Cusco ones. Hopefully they're a little more rigid. We'll see. Hopefully it helps lining it up. Okay. Everything's buttoned up, ready to go. This side is finally perfect. That side's finally perfect. Gonna let her down, start her up. This is the end of this video. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, drop some comments down below. I'm going to do a review on everything I just did on the next video. Catch you guys then. Peace out.